You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A beautiful name we have here, but how do you pronounce it? Many get confused by it. If you do get confused for pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more coming up on the channel, and at the end of the video, let's break it down. Cindy. How to pronounce in English this given name? Cindy. It's a diminutive of the Greek Cynthia. You know the name Cynthia? Well, similar. Cindy. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Stress on the first syllable. Cindy. Hey, Cindy. What are you doing tonight? Cindy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.